What you doing?
Well, I'm making a cabinet to put some extra kitchen stuff in. And I had this board on there, but I didn't like it.
You don't like the rattlesnake pattern?
Yeah, it was a bit rough, so I want to have it more like this. So I got this piece here we're going to use. Just taking her apart again.
So you screwed the bottom.
But screw anything.
Oh.
It's all nails.
Oh, it's all nails?
Yep. The nails are pretty strong if you can get them in deep enough.
What type of nails are these?
So they're just they call them wire nails, but they're brad. It's a brad nailer.
Oh, it is the brad nails. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing you used on the finish in the house for the baseboards.
Yep. Same thing.
Hmm.
Just a little bit longer. I use shorter ones in the house because the material is pretty thick here. It works good.
I guess I thought it was all screwed because I saw the holes here, or this on the bottom.
Well, that's part of the pallets.
Yeah. Just took that for granted, which was silly.
Threw this edge up, right?
Okay.
So I just put it where I thought it should be to true the edge up, and then locked it down.
Oh, okay.
It's just a fence for the table saw.
Oh, just a guide.
Yeah, it's a
Oh,
guide,
okay. A bit of a crack there. Is that okay?
What's that? Here?
There's a crack there, yeah.
That'll be cut off.
Oh, will it?
This board's a lot longer than you need.
Oh, good.
That looks better.
You're gonna clean the black off, is what you're.
Oh yeah, yeah. When you sand it,
Mm-hmm.
I'll be knocking all the edges off and sanding it down. The edge is a little tighter, but it's
twisted, is it, a little?
twisted a bit.
Sanding will take care of a lot of it.
Mm.
No? That sounded like, maybe not.
That looks a lot better than that last piece I had on there anyway. That's the reason people build things out of dimensional lumber. It's always easier.
It's not usually twisted, yeah, or racked.
Well, you can get twisting. Usually the tolerance is like, this is all rough cut wood. That may be, this is 7/8, or it could be 7/8 plus a 64th. And this is the 7/8 minus the 64th. You know?
Well, if it was easy, everybody'd be doing it.
Part of the charm of it is it's, you know, it looks like barn boards when you do it right.
Mm-hmm. It's too rough.
Just down a bit.
Tell you in a minute. No? How did that happen?
Sometimes they go astray.
Well, it's nice you can just pull them straight out.
Yeah, sometimes you get. Sometimes you go, ah!
Oh. That'll be alright.
That's better. I can live with it. We'll sand it a lot more once I'm done, but that's good. Perfect.
Your stockpile seems to be depleted.
Getting depleted. Let's go back to the lumberyard.
Okay. Well, can't move it there yet. Well, at least the roof is melting. Yeah, it's not like there'll be a shortage of runoff.
Under 32 5/8 by 2 3/4.
What's next?
What next? Just while we got it open, we should get that shelf in there.
You got the shelf cut already?
No, have to get some boards. Have to get the boards. I'll have to get the cleats put in there. I'll just use something like this for a cleat. Lots of stuff for cleats. 15.5.
That's 15 inches there.
Yeah.
So my shelf will go here, so I can put the stand mixer under there.
Yeah.
And then I've still got all this yet. I can put other things there. Cool. That works.
You're gonna have enough room to do that.
Oh yeah. It'll be fine.
Now that's going to be against the wall, and there'll be a
Right.
gap here.
Right. So you're saying should it be flush?
Yeah.
I'm thinking it should be flush, because then it gets up closer to the wall and it gives us more
Yeah.
traffic space behind, between the cabinet and the door.
Yeah, I mean, take a skill saw and just.
Yeah. Did you use that piece over there for the braces? Cleaned it up?
Yep. So that's the cleat for the shelves.
Is that what that's called? It's called a cleat?
Yep. That should be strong enough.
Oh, I think so. It's plenty, yeah. I'm not going to put super heavy stuff up here. All the heavy stuff goes on the bottom.